everyone in all the repairs that we have to make to JJ to get him back to running properly and looking beautiful. One of the repairs has risen to top priority here in the past hour, and is actually a problem that we thought we'd fixed already, but apparently we did not. It wasn't a good enough fix at any rate. But I come out of Walmart here, just grabbing some snacks before we're going to do some lawns, and I come back to this. Please leave a comment if you think you have the solution to the problem, because clearly we didn't. Several hours later, we have the solution. For now, AAA. Thanks, you guys. Appreciate it very much.